Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So gold, as you can see, stubbornly is moving higher, is trying to set the new top. And actually yesterday we were watching for a pullback and discussed possible retracement. In fact, it has started and happened, but it was not as strong as we thought. I mean, not as depth. But at the same time, in its current moment, it's difficult to expect some significant upward continuation, just because market stats that were bought on the weekly chart. Most probable destination point will be somewhere around the top. Yes, it could be slightly exceeded, but we do not expect any significant further movement from the gold market right now. More probable that we will get some consolidation in this area until at least market will leave the overbought situation on a weekly chart. Besides, at the current moment, investors mostly stands uncertain, so they definitely will keep watching what will happen if bank starts blowing up like that it was happening. It's actually last week. For sure we could get more demand for the gold. In general, we have another reasons to suggest why the demand for the gold should rise, so we have discussed this many times in our weekly reports. But speaking in particular about banking crisis that we have currently, so the major concern right now is whether Fed and United States Treasury control the situation. They said that they control, but investors probably are not sure. And nearest future should show whether they really control it or not. If they control it, then maybe demand for the gold will be not as strong, and investors could start watching for other risky assets, at least for diversification, some investments. But if situation will show that they are not controlling the situation and banks keep blowing up, that definitely will be the triggering moment for more demand for the gold. That's in two words what's about the sentiment. For today's session, we do not see lots of things to do. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see this is the pullback that we've got. So yesterday we talked about the retracement. 618 level here was, if you remember, but as you could see, it's really small. It's just 30% retracement back to 1966. We were expecting slightly lower pullback somewhere 1950. But anyway, as you can see, the drop happens. Market right now is keep going higher. With this type of action and with the daily, also on the weekly overbought, I think that we should consider a nearer standing target that's slightly above this top. And from that standpoint, I would consider area around 2013, 2015 area. This is ABCD pattern to the upside, which is OP, and take a look. 1618 extension of this recent pullback. This also gives us the target that stands around the same OP. What I'm speaking about is that actually, guys, I think that might be the butterfly. So with this butterfly, since market is overbought, here's price could finalize the upward direction right above the top, grab the stops above this area, complete the OP from the butterfly, and then maybe some deep retracement could start on the gold, or at least market starts forming some consolidation in the way of some ABCD pattern here. Maybe this will be some kind of the triangle, large triangle to be formed. Here's also you could recognize now, using your imagination, this minor hand shoulders. It's not really perfect. The shoulders are small, but symmetry consistent in place. And that's what actually has happened yesterday. That's why we're considering some kind of the ABCD based on this pattern with the OP. That's actually all that we have currently. So if you would like to take this scalp long trade, long position here, you could keep an eye on, for example, for the butterfly. So once it starts forming, you could try to buy with the stops right below the A point and a target around 1213 probably. That's the only scenario that currently we could follow. We do not have any bearish scenarios, and at the same time we can't set some more extended targets. It's just because market, as I said in the overbought, makes no sense in the current circumstances. So once market will complete this one, grab the stops above the top, reach this target, then we will see what to do next.